So, my dear friends, Electric Uncle Hatwale again with you. So, it is for my brothers, farmers, who works hard this video. So, they are so simple. Therefore, I brought this video related to their water pumps, whether it is solar or direct from the grid supply. And with solar, it is very important because solar has fluctuation in the supply. Other side, the pump sometimes speed is more, sometimes speed is less, depends on the load. So it controls the speed and the torque. VFD. Just remember VFD. Variable frequency device. It is also called variable speed controller, or you can say inverter, inclusive of VFD, AC controller. So it works in so many ways and it saves the energy. It will enable only that energy which is required. When the load is less, it will provide less energy. So there is energy saving. And if the farmers, they will follow this VFD and the solar systems, I think they can minimize their electricity bills. For what? They are always worried, asking the government to help. So they will not need the help of the government. But if farmers, they feed the world. Why they are asking to save the electricity bills? Beside the government, they should provide them solar instead of giving subsidies on electricity bills. They should provide them free of cost. They should ask for that if they are so poor. And normally farmers in India, they are very poor. The percentage of farmers who are rich, a few. Maximum farmers, they are poor. And our government is doing a lot for them. And especially the Modi, he has decided to make their income double. And he will do. His policies are good. I do agree. I am not a politician. I don't believe in any party, politics, this and that. I think it is a game of foolish peoples. But as an individual, Modi is doing a lot. Before also some leaders came like that. Indira Gandhi, she was the bold. I am not looking at the Congress or BJP or this and that. And now after a long time, a Prime Minister like Modi has come. His thinkings, his views, his plannings are all modernized. And he also thinks for all the sides, not only one side. Our culture, our technology, all sides he is doing. Farmers, but a few farmers, they play politics, this and that it is not good. And anyhow, I am not concerned with those things. I am just for the farmers. I love farmers because I also belong to a farmer family. My grandfather, he was plowing a little bit agriculture land. Then he joined a job somewhere and left this, sell out everything and come to Delhi and settled here. Here anyhow. So for the farmers, this variable frequency device is a must to provide on their motors, so that there will be no such problems. Motor got burned, again winding, rewinding and this and that, so many things he has to face. So normally electricians, they are also not aware of this VFD. They don't suggest them. So my main motto is this is a free education platform, right? And I am sharing my knowledge of 50 years based on the experience of my 50 years. Free education platform. to the students, to the future engineers, fresh engineers. And this video, all of a sudden I was sitting, it comes in my mind to make a video for this, our brothers, farmers, so that they can get the benefit and they can go in the right direction. So if they will provide this variable frequency device or variable speed controller, they will save energy, and it is a must for with the solar water pumps, because solar has fluctuation. Other side, the water level up and down, it makes the speed low and high, changes the pressure, changes the frequency, so it controls everything. Safe and best for the pumps, motors, and not for solar, for oil pumps, for water supply pumps. This VFD is a very important device. Normally before they used to put starters, on off switches, this and that only. So VFD, so I will proceed with this PPT also. I will show you in that a little bit idea about this VFD, connections of the solar water pump, and this and that. Let us move. And always I make one request, so that this free education platform should be utilized, used by the fresh engineers, students. It's a free education platform. Just I want from you a request, subscribe it, share it, so that it should reach maximum to the needy guys, students, engineers. They can get benefit of my experience. This is what I have started at the age of 68 years, just 3 months before. And I want to expand it, to get it reached in the villages. So please share it, subscribe it. So let us move to the PPT. This is the PPT. You can say, on each page there is something. There are 8-9 pages. I will show you. So this is the front page for Kisan Bhaiyon ke liye. I have to remove it, put it in the English, because this video is in English. So afterwards I will do it so. So my dear friends, I should start with the slide, right? From the beginning. So this is the slide where, so the size become big to understand the things. So this is the solar water pump, and these are the VFD, so called, about which I am telling, the variable frequency device. The shapes are different. You can buy anything as per the capacity of your pump, and it protects your motor, save your energy, electricity. In so many ways, this is a nice device. That is what for today I make this video today. Just to suggest my brothers that always use this device with your pumps, motors, solar pump, and with solar it is very important. Here is the variable frequency drive, also known as inverter, variable speed drive, AC drive. A VFD can be used to control both the speed and torque. Okay, 3-phase motors, for 3-phase motor, single-phase motor, and these are the basic components of a variable frequency device. This is my collection, all from the photos, images like this and that I prepared for you. It control motor speed, see. They limit energy demands. You don't need so much electricity. When it is required, how much it is required, it will allow that only. Electrical consumption of the motors by reducing the amount of energy that consume. Right? And this is the detail you can print out. I will give this in the description the link of this PPT, right? For the study purpose. You can go ahead. You know why I make these videos in English also? Because I have sometime demand from abroad that sir, please also make in English. So therefore I have to make it so. Fulfill their demands, requirements. Okay? And here this is the circuit. There is the sun. Here is the PV array. Then inverter. Inverter changes DC to AC. Solar always give DC power. In inverter there is VFD. So you buy inverter with inbuilt VFD. Remember VFD, bus. Then it goes to AC motor or the pump, connected both or as a all together. Submersible pumps, like if you are using DC pump, then no need for inverter. Just put VFD here. Correct? And if you are using AC pump, then inverter with VFD, inclusive of VFD. So this is the circuit. This is water source and this is the tank. And surface motors also you can connect. Ordinary pumps should use VFD, right? And this is the same circuit. Solar, DC compiler box. And go data logger, it will show the data about the pyranometer sensor, surface temperature sensor, power meter, like this and that. This data logger you can put in parallel. And then inverter inclusive of VFD, which supply the pump. Correct? So these are the diagrams you can study. Here is the VFD, you see. Surprise. From the solar also, connected parallel with the one phase of AC, going to VFD. Okay, this is VFD connector. From VFD going to submersible pump, as well as going to the float switch control of the pump, right? And this is the manual auto switch you can put. This is the diagram. You can ask any electrician to make the connections accordingly. Because normally people, they are away from this electrical circuitry. So you can show these things to your electrician or any electrical engineer. So he can get it done. Here also same solar panels. This inverter should be inclusive of VFD. Before they do with inverter, simple inverter. Nowadays also they are doing without VFD. And in my opinion, VFD is a must. It saves the energy, controls the speed of your motor, and get it run in a smooth way. Same, this is a 3-phase inverter come VFD. Okay, supply is coming here, combiner box. These are the breakers. From the grid also it is going in parallel. In case of solar failure, from the grid you can get the supply. So like this, so many type of connections. Here is the pool, here is the submersible pump, and from here you can supply water to anywhere in agriculture field. These are the solar panels, and always try to put tracker system on these panels. Solar sun tracker system. So it helps to increase energy. 20% extra energy you will get from the solar, from the sun. Okay. So like that your pumps will work smoothly with this help of VFD. So gentlemen, we will meet next time, and there is a little bit last say goodbye. So my dear friends, hope you followed maybe less or more, but keep it in your mind if you are in the farming process. A farmer always to use this VFD with the solar pumps. Especially you can use it anywhere, and it is good to use. Without solar even, the water pumps, motors, this variable frequency device VFD must be used. It helps a lot. So many farmers, they are unaware of this thing. They should ask their electrician, just remember VFD, I want to put VFD. He will find as per the motor capacity, pump capacity. Accordingly, you provide this VFD on your circuit. It will save your motor, pump to get damaged, right? So gentlemen, again there is the same request, please subscribe and share this channel, and this is free education platform running at the age of 68 years old. All whole life experience I am putting up in the videos so that it should reach to the needy people, needy guys, students, fresh engineers. They can be benefited with my knowledge, with my experience. That is what I want only. I don't want to take my knowledge with me. Want to share it here. So hope you will subscribe and share and expand my platform, free education platform. And if anybody want to ask anything, is most welcome. I am at your disposal. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me, you can email me. All the links are there in my description. So we'll meet in the next video now. Thanks for subscribing and sharing in advance, right?